5 things that plants need to grow. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 5 things that plants need to grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding these 5 essential elements will help you grow healthy and vibrant plants. So, let's get started. Sunlight. The first thing plants need to grow is sunlight. Sunlight provides energy for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food. Without enough sunlight, plants will not be able to produce enough food to grow and thrive. Some plants require more sunlight than others, so it's important to understand the specific needs of each plant you're growing. Water. The second thing plants need to grow is water. Water is essential for transporting nutrients from the soil to the plant cells. It also helps maintain turgor pressure, which is the pressure that keeps plant cells firm and upright. Without enough water, plants will wilt and eventually die. However, too much water can also be harmful to plants, so it's important to find the right balance. Nutrients. The third thing plants need to grow is nutrients. Nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are essential for plant growth and development. These nutrients are usually found in soil, but they can also be added through fertilizers or compost. Understanding the specific nutrient needs of your plants will help you provide them with the right amount of nutrients for optimal growth. Oxygen. The fourth thing plants need to grow is oxygen. Oxygen is essential for respiration, the process by which plants convert stored energy into usable energy. Without enough oxygen, plants will not be able to produce enough energy to grow and thrive. Soil compaction and waterlogging can reduce oxygen levels in the soil, so it's important to ensure that soil is well draining. Temperature. The fifth and final thing plants need to grow is the right temperature. Each plant has a specific temperature range in which it can grow and thrive. Some plants prefer cooler temperatures, while others prefer warmer temperatures. Understanding the temperature needs of your plants will help you provide them with the right growing conditions. So there you have it, the 5 things plants need to grow: sunlight, water, nutrients, oxygen, and the right temperature. By understanding and providing these essential elements, you'll be well on your way to growing healthy and vibrant plants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to thumb up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.